Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this curly hair right here. The hair is actually from CocoBlackHair. Guys, this is what the packaging looks like. The packaging came with their leaflets and the wig cap, the brown wig cap, and also the hair in the box, obviously. So this is what the hair looks like. The hair is actually a lace frontal wig and it's a curly hair, and that's what the hairline looks like, guys. And the inside also has a comb. It has 3 combs at the top and 1 comb at the back, and it actually came with a brown lace, which is actually similar to my skin tone, very close to my skin tone anyway. So I did try to customize the hair, and I showed you guys how I would actually customize the hair. I showed you everything from A to Z. So I actually put water in. I actually put water in a spraying bottle, and I spray the hair with water, and I, bring out the first baby hair, from the hair, and I decided to pluck from behind the baby hair, if that makes sense. And the hair is actually slightly pre-plucked, but not, to my own kind of pre-plucked. I don't know if that makes sense, but I pre-plucked the hair from the back and the side first, then the other side. I'm showing you guys what the difference is, from the one I plucked and the one that was actually straight from the box. So that's what I did anyway. I plucked the hair and I applied the Superdrug, paste, Corley's paste or whatever, I can't remember, but I'll put the name in the description box below for you guys to see it. Those are the 2 things that I applied on the hair, just water and the coiling paste. It's from Superdrug. It's actually like £2. You can apply it on your natural hair or your wig, so it depends. As far as it's coily hair, it's meant to enhance your coils. So that's all I did to the hair. Then next I decided to apply the hair on my head, and obviously I followed the same normal routine, for applying your lace closure. I applied the got to be blasting spray on my cap. I dried it up and cleaned the makeups on my forehead, and I applied the bold lace hold glue on my head, and I actually applied 2 layers of that on my head. Then when I noticed that it's already transparent, then I applied the wig on my head, which is what I'm doing right now. Then I held it down from side to side and applied my scarf on my head just to lay the hair down flat. And about 10 minutes later I removed the scarf, and voila, that's what the hair looks like after applying my scarf. So now to the styling of the hair, guys. Bear in mind that you can style this hair anyhow you like, just like your own natural hair. But I just decided to show you guys the kind of style that I would go for. You can either style it, the half up, half down style. You can do, anything you like with the hair. And if you want to go for a ponytail look, you would have to, use the adjustable strap at the back of the wig, and also the comb at the back of the wig to hold the hair down at the back if you want to go for a ponytail look. But so far, so good. I actually went for this style, which is the normal general center part and half part style that anyone would go for. I also tried to do the baby hair on my head, but I was not quite feeling baby hair today. But I actually did as little as I could, just to give that front a dimension a little bit. Then I decided to go for the up down style, which is what I'm showing you guys right now. And that's what the hair looks like on me. Then I finally decided to go for a side parts look. Then I pat the hair. There's no need at all for you to add a powder or foundation on your head, but because the lace is already brown straight from the box. But I decided to go for it, and that's what the hair looks like on me. Now to the review of the hair. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this coily hair right here. Guys, I am feeling this hair. Look at that. I am feeling this hair. Look at that, guys. The hair is so soft. As you can tell, it just goes through my hands without stopping or any traffic at all. So this hair is actually from CocoBlackHair. The hair is actually in length 20 and I am loving it so far. The hair was really coily straight from the box, but I actually showed you guys how I achieved this wet look. The hair is so soft and it's tangle free. Look at that, guys. I'm just running my hand through it without any problem at all. I actually plucked the hair a little bit, but the hair has actually been pre-plucked straight from the box, so it depends on what you're going for. And as for the lace of this hair, the lace that came with this hair was actually brown, so it was much more, you know, closer to my skin tone. The thing that I like about this hair is the fact that the quality of the hair is really amazing, guys. You know, I tried so many times, you know, to run my hand through the hair to see if it's gonna tangle or shed, but there was no such thing at all. I was worried about applying products on the hair with the hope that the products that might had my, you know, weigh the hair down, but it didn't at all. I actually applied the Superdrug Coily Smoothing Paste on the hair. I was worried about the fact that it might weigh the hair down, but it didn't at all. And I also sprayed water on the hair. Those are the two things that I applied on the hair so far. And I'm quite loving the way that browns back straight up. The ends of the hair, guys, look at how that feels. The ends are really curly because we're still intact and it was not dried at all. There is also enough, you know, space for you to pack the hair in case you want to go for center parts or, you know, any style you want to go for. There is enough parting space on the hair for you to, you know, work with. And another thing that I like about the hair is the fact that the hair is quite affordable. The price is quite reasonable and affordable, so if you're looking for a good quality curly hair with a reasonable price, then I would definitely recommend this vendor. Definitely recommend this vendor, guys. Look at that. I've been running my hands through it since I had it on my head. You know, you guys know me that I like, you know, playing with my hair with my hands just to confirm if there's any shedding at all in the hair or anything at all, so you guys can see it live on camera with me. But so far so good. I'm quite loving the fact that there was no shedding or matting at all, and you can also see the ends of the hair. The curls remains, you know, intact, and there was no drying or matting at all. Hair is definitely true to length in my opinion. Where the hair got to at my back, this is how long the hair is. I also showed you guys the style that I would go for if I'm to style this hair based on my kind of style. Like seriously, but you can style it anyhow you like depending on what you really want or what you're going for. But the most amazing part of this hair is the quality of the hair and the curls of the hair, guys. The curls are still intact. No shedding, no matting or tangling at all, and the hair dried up really well. I'm quite loving that. The hair is about 90% dried, and you can already tell that the curls are still intact. So depending on the look you're going for, you can style it anyhow you like. And I also love the fact that the hair is really affordable. So I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. In case you're interested in this hair, feel free to check their website out and let me know what you guys think. So far so good. I am loving the hair, I'm loving the curls, and I'm loving the fact that it's not getting matte or tangling at all. So feel free to check out their website and let me know what you guys think. That's my thoughts about the hair so far. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. So in terms of shipping, the vendor also shipped worldwide free, and the shipping took about 3 to 4 days to get here in the UK. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out their website and let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.